just is a feeling in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
One way, is it?
What you mean,
No,
dog?
I don't.
Oh. I need
Saf has to wait 6 hours in France.
Yikes, that's rough.
If that was me, I'd say, nope.
I don't know why you didn't.
Hey, GG boys, real good fight there, man.
Tilted Tower's getting destroyed. Honestly, I had a dream the other day that it was getting destroyed, and I don't mind it. My man Aiden gonna have to adapt, bro. They're getting rid of. Yikes. We get rid of L2, spamming and tilted.
So what's my thought on Tilted Towers actually getting destroyed this season? It was found in the game, not a concept. I don't know, dog. I don't really mind. It doesn't change anything. I don't know. Probably sucks for Aiden, but I love Tilted just because it's fun to go there. I don't know. It's gonna be weird. They have to replace it with something else.
And it's actually a really good spot. And a lot of people like that spot too. Yeah, my game was all tabbed. Thanks for showing me that too. That's interesting. I haven't spotted that.
Snipers are so fucking competitive, but the general public loves them, so I can't really shit talk them. You know, the moment you're like, I think the heavy sniper might be like a little broken, everyone's like, you want to remove everything? You just want to remove everything. Here, take my keys, take my wallet, man. You want my phone too? What do you want, dude? These pro players. So I just don't give a fuck.
¿A qué es? Lechuga contra... ¡Oh! ¿Qué pasa, chavales? Si le hacemos doble, ¿qué pasa? Si le hacemos doble, ¿qué pasa? No, no recargues ahora. Vale, y si le hacemos triple... ¡Oh!
I can't even see that far.
Hit that guy.
Native, man.
Yeah, must be nice, dude. Native res. So good, dude. Wow. That guy legitimately just 90'd up to sky limit.
He's glad he redeployed.
Yeah,
Why did I
so.
eyes? Wait, oh my god, chat, my eyes.
Oh, what the?
Alright, this is where the clingers come into play. 1,
Yeah,
2,
clingers,
3.
clingers,
Yeah, clinger, yeah. Wee, wee, clingers, wee! Yo, bing, 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 bing. Boom, boom, make explosion. Yeah, wee! Woo! Wow, we're so talented.
More clingers. Light 'em up. They disappeared. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Unlucky.
Yeah. Attacking.
God damn it, Cletus, we almost had his ass. He had no fucking mats. Fucking yeehaw, brother.
Are you kidding me? Huh? Woo! No! I didn't know he had a heavy sniper. Come on! Come on! Yo, Aqua Ice with the sub. Thank you, man. I ace.
Do all of it. I'm going to ask you each one by one. If you play Fortnite and do you like Fortnite? Alexandra, are you a big Fortnite fan?
Well, I play PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds.
Okay, you play, well, yeah, Fortnite. And what about yourself? What do you play?
The fuck is that?
Monka W, dude. What was that guy thinking, man?
Can we react like it's a big donation? Holy shit! Mandy, what are you doing? Thank you so much for the 200 bits, man. I appreciate that, dog. Thank you, man. Holy shit. Can we get a Pog champ in the chat for Mandy's 200 bits, dude? Pog. Holy shit. No, thank you, man. Yo, fucking Jazz with the 200 bits. Lifeline first responder. Yo, thank you for the 200 bits, Jazz. Appreciate that. Yo, Sana.
Ooh. Yeet.
Where? See right below.
Oh yeah, baby. We hit those.
Touch that TV slash.
That was awkward.